So right now I'm thinking like to start the campaign or rethink everything over there, because we have done so many things to get the leads on WhatsApp, but same thing is happening. Like campaign is getting feed like again and again. So earlier I asked you that they had a limited time, and they were like they were having session in within a week. So
Hmm.
I was running lead campaign. You suggested me, so we got a lead from there too, but not that much of lead like we were supposing over there.
Hmm.
So as of now we have plenty of time, so like almost a month. So how would I like structure the campaign, and what would I do? Like I would should I run awareness campaign and then we'll go lead and then we'll sell, or what should I do?
The best way to go or to approach this situation is that you have a life coach. It's a local
Mhm.
session, okay, and you are running on a new ad account. Have a
Mhm.
landing page and get a lot of ads. If I was you, I would have 40 to 50 ads. Okay,
Okay.
I'm not even kidding about it. Okay, 40 to
Uh-huh.
50 ads. Okay,
Understood.
with different templates or one template each. I already have 22 templates listed on my pinned on my Instagram profile, which you can go and check. I would pick
Yeah.
up all of them, ask her to shoot script around each one of that, get them on a landing page, and achieve results. That's a dead sure way to get results.
Okay. It doesn't matter like which objective I will select,
No, no,
even
no.
if I'll.
It's a sales objective or
Okay,
lead
okay.
objective. Yeah,
Sales or lead objective. Okay.
yeah.
And along with that, they want followers and like genuine followers or engaged followers, and so that they can convert cheaply. So, which objective should I select over there? Along with that.
Traffic and you know redirect them to Instagram profile.
Okay. And ManyChat, I read on Discord, someone asked those stuff, and I read those stuff. You suggested him like to do a ManyChat method. So would
In
it be okay?
ManyChat method, what happens is that you need to have a lead magnet sorted, and then in lead magnet, what they do is they comment, okay,
Mhm.
and then they get the lead magnet. But before getting the lead magnet, they have to follow the profile. So this is also one of the way how you can do it.
Okay, that's a organic one, I think.
Not just the organic. This is a normal one. Okay.
So for this like
Like
ManyChat
you
method.
can you can push this as an ad, right? This ad as an this post as an ad,
Oh, so
right?
like in which objective?
Any objective you want. Use existing post, okay, you
Uh-huh.
select that, and over there you will start seeing
Uh-huh.
that Facebook is populating that field with the existing post. Select that post and start running it. ManyChat will keep on running in the background.
Okay, okay. And how about like then the leads and CPL and all this stuff like kind of thing? Like they have to spend money, right, for this?
Yeah, they have to. They can't expect not spending money with, like, they have to,
So
like, everything. Yeah, no, there are no
okay,
free lunches. Just tell them, like, breaking news, there are no free lunches.
yeah. So would it be okay like if I'll run ad like awareness campaign or traffic campaign, because it would be a little bit cheaper than engaged or leads one?
No.
No, only lead, sales, or engagement. Only three of them.
Right, right.
Okay,
That's all.
understood. So
Lead traffic, not engagement. Lead traffic or sales.
lead, traffic, or sales.
Yeah, not
Okay,
engagement.
okay, got it.
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also, understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay. We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So, in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.